we're about to cook some lunch. I can't be serious in any of these videos. I also woke up not too long ago too. It's like 10 o'clock. I'm tired. I didn't go to school today because I low-key wanted to rest because I've been working so hard at my job and I believe I needed just to take a break. So this is like a little mental break day for me. And so I'm about to show y'all me cooking some food. I'm about to cook some food. Y'all ain't ready for it. I cook some good food, bro. I'm gonna go get the ingredients and the stuff that I'm gonna be cooking. I'm gonna lay it out right here and show y'all. If you want to also make I haven't even told y'all what I'm making. I am making lemon pepper shrimp with rice and zucchini. That is my lunch. So I'm gonna be cooking this up and I'm gonna show y'all like what y'all need to make it. So yeah. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so this is what we have right here. We have a pound of shrimp, tails off. I don't eat the tails on all my. I also got like microwavable rice. It's honestly not that hard to cook rice because I have cooked rice before, but I low-key just preferred this one. I just wanted to eat this one because why not? I got a zucchini. I have butter, minced garlic, lemon pepper, garlic salt, and then we have parsley, pepper, and regular salt. The first thing we're going to start cooking is the shrimp because the shrimp is going to take the longest. And also make sure you have a lid. I mean, you can have a lid for both of them. It wouldn't hurt to have it for both of them. We're going to go ahead and cut it on kind of the highest. We're going to do 8. And first thing we're going to do is put some butter in there. This is a good amount, honestly. Just a good amount. I do about 2 scoops. It is, in fact, okay to cook shrimp while it is still frozen. So, this was in the sink. It's to a bigger pan, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's not gonna hurt nothing to put a bigger lid on it. Shoot. 5 minutes in the microwave. I'm just gonna let that cook. Alright, this is gonna be on medium. We're gonna put butter. We love butter. I'm not gonna film me cutting this because I have very rare woo. Now we're just going to put them in here. Honestly, there's no froth. I thought there was gonna be froth, but there's not. Okay, cool. Just gonna let that do its thing. Make sure whenever you use minced garlic, it's the one with the water. That's too much, It's too much. Hold on, y'all. I ain't trying to put a lot in there. It's good to portion it out. You're gonna take your lemon pepper. Shave it on there. You make sure you put lemon pepper. You gotta make sure you put a lot on there. There's gotta be like a good amount. You don't want to put too much too, because it will be too lemony and it will have a weird taste to it. So don't put too much on there, but a good amount. And we're gonna put slight amount of garlic salt on there. All right, I'm gonna bring this down to low. Take this off of it. We are going to add a little more lemon pepper. Now that the butter has dried up, and a little more minced garlic. Not that much. Those are done. We're gonna add a little bit of garlic salt. Now for the zucchini, we're going to put a little bit of salt on them. We're going to turn it off. All eyes are off now. What you should also do, if you have parsley, drizzle a little bit on that hoe. And then if you want to add a little bit of pepper to your zucchini, you can. I did not. Our wonderful and amazing microwavable rice. Taking it out. Wondrous. And there you have it. You have your rice, your shrimp, and your zucchini. If you want to add like a little bit of soy sauce inside your rice to make kind of like a fried rice, you can. I don't do that. But I got plain white rice, lemon pepper shrimp, and some nice buttery zucchini with a little bit of salt. So yeah, try it if you want. Try it if you want. I love it. Personally, I really love it. But yeah, that's it, guys. All right. Enjoy y'all's days, and I will enjoy this. Bye.